and welcome to our lipstick. So I just wanted to do a real quick unboxing for you guys. I have no makeup on. I've got fake tan all over me. I just wanted to do this real quick because I just got my box from the Nordstrom sale, and I got a bunch of stuff in the Nordstrom rack clearance section from like beauty, different beauty brands, stuff like that. So it was all on hautelook, and then it was also on Nordstrom rack and on the Nordstrom sale website. So you can actually go on your hautelook app if you have that and find all of these products right now during the Nordstrom sale. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got because I'm so excited. I want to show you. Check out all these goodies in here. So first thing right on top I'm most excited about is the Too Faced Cocoa Powder. This is their bronzer, and it is the fair-skinned one. So it should be really light for my skin tone. I like their packaging. I don't usually use Too Faced just because of, I guess, not necessarily personal reasons, but things that I've heard about their previous owner. But they're owned by Estee Lauder now, I believe, so hopefully they're better. This smells so good. But this is what the shade looks like, and this is a bronzer, so this will be really great for when I'm actually pale. Like I said, I have fake tan on right now and it's developing, so I definitely probably couldn't use this color. Next up, I got one of the Ofra liquid lipsticks in the shade, what shade is this? Venice, and it's one of their like true reds. Absolutely beautiful. I love this formula. So good. I also got a Perricone MD. This is their no foundation serum. So it's supposed to be a really lightweight, kind of almost like a BB or CC cream, that type of thing. I've heard great things about this from some of the YouTubers I watch, and I wanted to try it out and see what it was like, because I do like really light coverage on those days that I'm not really going anywhere, that I'm just running errands or doing that kind of thing, because I work from home, so I don't like to be full glam all the time. I have also wanted to try this forever. This is the Urban Decay Vitamin B Prep Spray. It's one of those prep sprays that you spray on your face before you apply your makeup. It's supposed to be filled with really great vitamins, things that are great for your skin. And I have chronically normal to dry skin, so sometimes it gets really dry though, and I like these kind of like prepping type of misters just to really hydrate the skin before I put foundation on it. I also got the Smashbox Double Exposure 2.0 palette. I did not know that they made this. I have the other two Smashbox palettes, the Smashbox Original and the Smashbox Double Exposure, the first one I guess. Yeah, it looks exactly like I was a little scared when I pulled it out because it looks exactly like the double exposure I have. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It's totally different. It's got like blues and purples and all these really pretty colors in it. The whole top row is shimmers and the bottom row is mattes. I'm really excited for this. I love Smashbox shadows. They're really good quality. I definitely recommend them. But the palettes are really expensive. I got all of this stuff for super cheap. I will list the prices on the screen as I'm talking about this stuff so you guys know what I paid for this. I also got a pair, or actually two pairs of velour lashes. This first one is in the, doesn't really say, but that's what they look like. Really pretty fluttery lashes. And then I got this pair as well. These were actually like the most natural ones that were on there, and I see that they're very dramatic. They have a thick black band on them. They're very long. But I'm excited to try them out. I don't usually dabble in too many like high-end lashes. I tend to just stick with my like demi wispies and my accent lashes from Ardell and stuff like that. So it's fun to play with these. I do love Lily lashes, so those are really like the only higher end lashes I've ever tried. So I'm excited to try these out. And then the last thing I got was one of these little kit things that you could get. It's just two of the Too Faced melted liquid lipsticks, and you get a matte one and just their regular melted one. The shade is in Nude, is this one, and then the other one is in Child Star. And I'm really excited because Child Star was a shade that I've always wanted. I thought was so pretty. So what's this one looks like. It's a very natural pinky nude. And I've had nude before in this formula, and mine was actually like really brown, so I'm hoping that this one will not be off like the very first one I bought. I should have returned that, but I never did. So yeah, these were all the products that I got from the Nordstrom sale. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the Nordstrom sale if you didn't know what was going on. There's so much more stuff than this. I got the really like cheap stuff, the stuff that I was interested in. And I was excited about all of this. So definitely check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.